And guys, so I am back. Sa wakas. Grabe yung dinanas ko in fairness, tingnan nyo naman. As you can see, I already have one monitor left. Tis. And so, since naputol tayo for Pacific Wara and G1 Parak, so let's proceed to the next match. We have TNC Pro Team versus TT Esports AC Gaming. Yan. Sad, no? And since we were not able to have our trivia, dahil nga medyo naghingalo ang buhay ko kanina. And so let's have here our trivia. So let me make this easy for you guys. So, the 100 eCoin question is, what is the name of the first VIP character in Crossfire? Sobrang chicken na niya na. Chicken na. What is the name of the first VIP character in Crossfire? Please include your in-game name and your full answer. Sorry guys, I had a technical issue earlier. Buti na lang nakabalik ako just in time for TNC and ACG. Lapit natin siya. So I'm already done with one question. So let me give you another one. Well, I'm not sure if I've already asked this last time, but ayan. Our next question. The 100 eCoin question is, what are the two bomb sites in destruction mode? And what are the two bomb sites in destruction mode? Please include your IGN and your complete answers. Again guys, we will only be having one winner per question. Make sure that you are following our Twitch channel, kundi hindi yan counted, kaya siguraduhin yung nakafollow kayo. Ayan. Dalawang magkasunod na ang binibigay ko sa inyo, guys. Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Let me check this out. Well, I've already asked this like yesterday, I guess. But I guess no one got the correct answer. So here you go. How much is the total prize pool of a Crossfire Elite League Cup. How much is the total prize pool of a Crossfire Elite League Cup? Prize pool, guys. Don't tell me hindi nyo pa din alam. Yan. For those who do not know the answer, you can check out the fan page. Obviously, it's either your copy-paste or talagang hindi nyo mahanap yung tamang sagot.
I make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go. Good girls go. I know you're tired. Yeah, daddy's little girl, just take a bite. Let me shake up your world. 'Cause just one night couldn't be so wrong. I'm gonna make you lose control. She was so shy till I drove her wild. I make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go bad. You were hanging in the corner with your 5 best friends. Heard that I was trouble, but you couldn't resist. I make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go. Good girls go. Good girls go bad. Good girls go.
I know you're tired. Boy, you're dangerous. Yeah, you're that guy. I'd be stupid to trust. But just one night couldn't be so wrong. You make me wanna lose control.
She was so shy till I drove her wild. I make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go bad.
I was hanging in the corner with my 5 best friends. I heard that you were trouble, but I couldn't resist.
I make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go. Good girls go. Good girls go bad. Good girls go bad. Oh, she got away with the boys in that place. Treat 'em like they don't stand a chance.
And he got away with the girls in the back, acting like they're too hot to dance.
Yeah, she got away with the boys in that place. Treat 'em like they don't stand a chance.
And he got away with the girls in the back, acting like they're too hot to dance.
I make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go. Them good girls go
I was hanging in the corner with my 5 best friends. I heard that you were trouble, but I couldn't resist.
I make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go bad. I make them good girls go. Good girls go. Good girls go bad. Good girls go.
And guys, again, for another question, the 100 coin question is, give at least 3 of the top 6 teams on the recent CFEL Luzon Finals 2016. Oh, 6 teams yon. Kahit 3 lang ang ibigay nyo, okay na. Tatanggapin ko na yun. So, please provide your in-game name and the complete answers. 3 teams ha. Give at least 3 of the top 6 teams on the recent CFEL Luzon Finals 2016. Any of those 6, basta 3 lang yung mabigay nyo. I'm not asking for too much. CFEL Luzon Finals 2016. Magkakaalaman na kung sino ang nagka-copy-paste at kung sino ang nanood ng Luzon Finals. Yan. Unat-unat tayo, guys. Time check is 8:21. So, we are still waiting for the 6. Actually, 10 pala. 6 tuloy. Actually, 10 players. TNC and AC Gaming. So, let's see. Let me check if I still have some trivias here. This is a hard one, but it'll be worth it naman. For 100 e-coins! This one is pretty hard, to be honest. Since kahit ako hindi ko din sure na ito pala talaga ang petsa. But now I know, and you will know if you Google. And the 100 coin question. The date when Crossfire PH was launched. What was the date when Crossfire Philippines was launched? Guys, so what is the date? The date, please include your in-game name and the answer. Guys, while we are still waiting for one more player from TNC, so I will be giving you the last trivia before we start. In what mode is the special skin of a Viper used? Please include your in-game name and your answer. In what mode is this special skin of a Viper used? Saang mode nagagamit yung nag-iisang yung special skin actually, yung special skin ng Viper. Saan ba natin pwedeng gamitin yun? Yun pa naman yung maganda. Now, let's go check. We have here TNC versus AC Gaming. All players are now ready, so let's join. So as you can see, we have TNC versus AC Gaming.
Smoking grenade!
So TNC for the Blacklist and ACG for the Global Risk.
Bomb has been planted at B site.
Looks like we have 1 point going to ACG.
Fire in the hole!
So guys, this is just map 1. So we still have another map after this.
Smoking grenade!
Tingnan natin. Jeff Curry.
Smoking grenade!
Well, Jeff here is the newest lineup of TNC. Since for the last EFEL, siniyulot ang player nila. So, bago tong si Jeff.
Smoking grenade!
So, Nazmi Doodle is already down. Mukhang last man standing, we have Jeff for TNC. Yan. Just to distinguish. So, TNC for the Blacklist again and AC Gaming for Global Risk. Still 2 minutes and 12 seconds on our clock. Two points already for AC Gaming.
Smoking grenade.
Last man standing, we have Nasmi against 4 players. 4 players pa ang kailangan niya. So, ayan, mukhang di na kinaya. 1 point again for ACG. Mukhang agresibo ang ACG ngayon. With already gaining 3 points in a row. Ayan, galing daw ng ACG. Ayan, go, 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 AC Gaming. Mukhang napakaraming fans ng ACG dito, ah. Yeah, let's take a closer look. Ayan, for those who are not aware, TNC and ACG are both
Smoking grenade.
part of CFEL Luzon Finals. Actually, top sa roster before finals, top 1 ang TNC and ang ACG as well. So, top 1 is TNC and top 2 is AC Gaming. But after the finals, 3rd place ang TNC and 4th place ang ACG. So, medyo naunahan sila ng Pacific, Wara, and Macta. So, 2 versus 3 at the moment. You have here G. Let's take a look at Senpai. And Dale. And Dale, dale.
Fire in the hole.
Okay, 26 seconds for our clock.
Bomb has been planted at B site.
Samantalang kakaplanta lang ng bomba. TNC, kaya niyo yan. Go lang daw. Diba? 1 point for TNC. Mukhang nagdilang anghel ka, kuya. Solid TNC here. Yan, nagdilang anghel si acronym. Naga 1 point ang TNC. One ang standing.
Smoking grenade. Smoking grenade.
4 versus 3 at the moment. Dale is down, followed by Charich Shed. Nakapitas ng isa si Kurt. Si Kurt Calbo. Last man standing is G. Let's take a look here. at the standing. Jeff Curry here, actually carrying TNC. At sa kabila naman is Senpai.
Fire in the hole!
Let's take a look here at Boss Tanks, the captain of AC Gaming. Nakadalawang punto na pala ang TNC. So, 2-3 na ang standing natin. A 4 versus 3 situation at the moment here at the center. While Nasmi on the ventilation going to the A side, mukhang may nag-aabang sa dulo ng ventilation. Ayan. Sumegway ng daan. Let's take a look at Dale. Dale. Diba? So silent. Let's see the map. Well, TNC here, nearing sa B site. On the B site, actually, 2 of them. Dale here getting 1 kill. G is down.
Bomb has been planted at B site.
With the bomb already planted on the B site, 34 seconds. Last man standing is Nasmi. Isa ka na naman, Nasmi, being able to kill Gerald Baez. Isa na lang, Boss Tanks, but Boss Tanks here being able to kill Nasmi is gonna be defusing the bomb. Hanap. Still 12 seconds to go. Mukhang successful ang pagde-defuse ng ACG.
Smoking grenade! Smoking grenade!
2-4 ang standing. Mga ganyang strategy. Yung talon-talon everywhere. Kartzy almost down. Muntikan na. But LG first. Double kill coming from Charich Ched. Nag-iisa ka na lang, Jeff. Baka mahilig sa chicken curry tong si Jeff. Pero hindi ko alam ba't curry yung nasa pangalan niya. Another point for AC Gaming. The standing is now 5-2. Last 2 games before we switch sides.
Smoking grenade! Smoking grenade!
Yan, ang water gun ni Gerald. Double kill coming from Doodle Boy. Nakaisa na naman si Nasmi. Bumabawi si Kuya Boy. Now being Nasmi on the ace. 9 kills but Charich here. Still getting 10 kills for the team. Habang si LG nangungulelat. LG with 0 kills and 8 deaths. Mukhang kailangan mong humabol. "58 seconds remaining for our time."
Bomb has been planted at B site.
With the bomb already planted, ayan, sumusugod na si Senpai. But 30 seconds for the bomb. Let's check out. TNC on the B side. Gerald Baez is down. Dale and Nasby again. Senpai, hindi kinaya. Dale finishing the game. 1 point for TNC.
Fire in the hole! Smoking grenade!
1 kill from LG. Nakabawi si LG ng isa. Hindi na initlog but counter-killed by G. Last one player we have Gerald Baez.
Fire in the hole! Bomb has been planted at A site.
"31 seconds for the bomb habang nakabantay ang TNC sa A site. Hinapos ni Jeff Curry ang buhay. 1 point again for TNC. Standing is now 4-5. Let's head back to our lobby. So now we will be having AC Gaming for the Blacklist and TNC for the Global Risk. So let's join. Still, we will be having Subbase as our map.
Flash grenade!
Previous score, as you can see, we have 5 points going to AC Gaming and 4 points for TNC. So, balik tayo sa Subbase. LG is the first man down,
Grenade! Fire in the hole!
followed by Jeff. Nasmi and Card nakapitas ng tig-isa. 3 versus 3
Bomb has been
situation.
planted at B site.
Still 35 seconds for the bomb. Naplanta na agad ng ACG ang bomba. Mukhang kakaibang diskarte ng ACG sa pagpa-plant. Nasmi Doodle is down. 1 point for AC Gaming. The standing is now 6-4.
Fire in the hole! Smoking grenade! Flash
1 minute
bomb.
and 58 seconds. LG here on the GR B site.
Smoking grenade!
Parang ayaw nilang kumalaw sa mga kinatatayuan nila. As you can see, stock up ang mga tropa. "59 seconds remaining." Anong kaganapan? With ACG here still complete.
Smoke and grenade.
While Boss Tanks, the captain of ACG, ay medyo alaloots. 34 seconds per hour time. Nazmi Doodle is already down to get rid cart and the LG. Double kill from G.
Flash bomb. Bomb has been planted.
Nag-isa na lang Dale. Dale here getting another kill. On the way to B site. While Senpai and Boss Tanks still waiting. One headshot for Senpai. What a nice kill coming from Dale. But the effort. Sayang effort. But it's worth it. Worth the
Smoke
try.
and grenade. Fire in the hole.
Hirap no, na dami mong katapat tapos magde-defuse ka ng bomba.
Smoke and grenade.
First man down is Cart.
Flash bomb. Flash bomb.
Yan, nag-goodbye na rin si Charich. Let's take a look at Senpai. Last two players for AC Gaming. Looks like TNC here will be getting another score. And on the A side, with our last man standing, Boss Tanks, still against 4 players from TNC. One point for TNC. Yan, nakarecord na yung isa.
Smoke and grenade. Fire in the hole.
Double kill coming from Jeff, pero double kill
Bomb
din
has been
for
planted.
G.
Fire
But
in the
Jeff
hole.
again getting another kill in a total of triple kill. Last man standing G na delegates na. Maaari ba ang TNC? Let's just wait. Defuse the bomb. So basically it's a total of 6 points for TNC. And 7 points for AC Gaming. Iisang punto lang ang namamagitan. Ayan. Shoutout kay Dave Leviste. Wapo sa Cebu. TNC, huwag kayong patalo. Suportado kayo dito sa Pampanga. Sabi ni Acronym 10. Tagasan ng AC Gaming. AC Gaming is from Anonas. Ang LS City daw yung ACG. Okay lang yan, kuya. Pares naman tayong
Fire in the
Kapampangan.
hole.
Yan, GM Astral pa third person overview. Gusto ko makakita ng nagra-running man challenge ng mga characters. Sure. Yan ang running man. Let's take a look here at Senpai. And Cart C. So, umaari ba na naman ang mga may S-Pop X, S-Poppers? And shout out to Renby the Mulag from Joash Pogi. It's already a tie for TNC and AC Gaming. Well, actually, nauna na ang TNC with 8 points. Kaya yan, LG, bawi ka, idol ka namin. Diba? Todo cheer. Cart here finishing at the game with a double kill. It's already 9 points for TNC. Last 1 point for TNC to be able to win map number 1. Si Dale na buhay ng loob. Already 9 frags. Gerald here. Mukhang kinukulelat. With 0 kills. Tingnan natin kung babawi sila sa map number 2. Double kill coming from Gerald. Grabe. Narinig ata ako ni Gerald. Kaya siya bumawi. But we still have lots to play for Charich. TNC here grabbing map number 1. And congratulations TNC.
Smoking grenade. Flash bomb.
Okay now, so let's proceed our next map. I'll be ready na. So let's just wait for both of the teams to toss coin. So actually, both teams are at Pacific right now. Kaya doon na sila magto-toss coin. So I guess TNC here choosing the blacklist. And AC Gaming here for the global risk. So let's just wait for our host to start the game. Wow! But wow! Ibinuga ako. Ayaw na daw sa akin ni Master Kit. Yan, babalik ako. not just me. Akala ko ako lang. Ganyan talaga. Kapag ayaw na, isasuka ka na. Pero syempre, joke lang. Okay, time check, guys, is 9 p.m. So this will be our last match for the day. This is map number 2. And you're still watching the Crossfire Elite League Visayas Cup. So match 4 na to. We have TNC and AC Gaming still.
Smoking grenade. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole.
So, balik sa pwesto, we have TNC for Global Risk. Since silang nanalo sa Toscoy, siyempre silang pipili kung saan ba sila mapapadpad. Shoutout to Joash, dalawang ubo ka na lang, sabi ni Rain B. Hello there to Angelo Calub. TNC, galingan nyo, suporta ang mga Buwagwa Pampanga at ang buong team ng KG Troops. Ba't parang ang daming nanonood na Kapampangan right now?
Flash bomb.
1 point for AC Gaming.
Fire in the hole. Smoking
Here
grenade.
Gaza. Nasmi almost down, but Charge Ched getting the first
Fire in
kill.
the hole.
While he is setting up, let's take a look here at the captain of AC Gaming. At mukhang medyo minala siya nung tinignan ko siya. Boss Tanks is down. 4 versus 4. Hindi na kinaya ni Charich. Sumunod na rin siya. Score is now 1-0 with Stealthy versus 2. 1 minute on the clock and 12 seconds. One headshot coming from Dale.
Bomb has been planted.
While
8
TNC
seconds.
here has already planted the bomb. Wala eh. Hindi na rin kinain ni Gerald eh. 1 point for TNC.
Smoking grenade. Flash bomb. Flash bomb. Fire in the hole.
Cardsy getting the first kill.
Fire in the hole.
Dale getting another kill as well. Mukhang umaari ba si Dale ngayon? Nabubuhayan ng loob ang TNC. That's what your cheers can do. Gerald Baez, last man standing with still 0 kills. On the way. Center, one headshot coming from Gerald. Nakachamba lang isa. Kailangan pala medyo nilalait-lait sila eh, no? Para nakakapatay. But TNC again, moving up another score. Standing is 2-1.
Smoking grenade. Flash bomb. Flash bomb. Flash bomb.
Hi. Ako'y napapahay. And 2 minutes and 5 seconds on our clock. Gerald is the first man down, followed by Charit Shed. Nagkukumpulan na naman ng TNC sa bodega.
Fire in the hole!
On smoke, LG is the first man down from TNC, followed by Nasty.
Double kill!
Grabe. The triple kill coming from
Has been planted.
Jeff Curry, the sniper of TNC. Wow. Rumor has it, actually. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung gameplay nitong
Flash
Jeff.
bomb!
Actually, ngayon ko lang siya napanood maglaro for TNC. Kasi he is a new lineup. At base sa mga sabi-sabi, malakas daw talaga tong si Jeff. I think he was a member of Loco, as I can recall. So, Jeff Loco Jeff. And he has won at the PCM. May award siya. So, Jeff is really tough. Busy ata yung 6-man ng TNC. Kaya, Jeff here already replaced Neolot. But ACG here, still retaining their roster. Still have Gian, Anoses, Tanks, Chacha, and Gerald. Last man standing, the captain of AC Gaming, we have Tanks. Jeff Curry finishing the game. 4 points up for TNC. Grabe, si Jeff na ata ang magiging anghel ng TNC.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Ayun, nasabugan ng flashbang. Grabe, sobrang dalang ko ng agad ng flashbang ngayong araw.
Fire in the hole!
Tanks right there, kaso hindi na sipat ni Jeff. Charich almost down. Ayun, natuluyan na nga. Nasmi and Card, 2 players from TNC. Minute and 34 seconds remaining for our time. Ayan, go Jeff, go Jeff, go Jeff, sabi ni Night Choco. Tapos biglang may go Astral. Grabe. Nice daw, Team Loco. Sabi ni Mate June. Mukhang ang daming fans ni Jeff. Todo suporta kay Jeff. Well, it's our first time seeing Jeff at the stream, actually. Magandang exposure to para kay Jeff. 56 seconds remaining per our clock. Last man standing, we have the captain of TNC, LG. Mr. Jupiter. $40 seconds. Ngayon, paano didiskarteng magtanim si LG? One-on-one with GI. 1 kill from LG, kaso nalikuran ni Gerald Baez. 1 point for AC Gaming. 4-2 ang standing.
Flash bomb! Flash bomb!
2 minutes and 8 seconds for our clock.
Flash bomb!
Yung mga running man na naka-SPAP X. 2 kills from Dale.
Tossing grenade!
Nakachamba ng isa si Tanks. sunod-sunod na nauubos ng ACG. Nag-isa na lang, tangke. Kaso, 1 point for TNC. With a standing of 5-2, we still need 2 more games before we switch sides. Well, earlier, guys, as you remember, nangunguna ang ACG. Kaso, nagpalit na sila ng side, humabol ang TNC. So, tignan natin kung papanindigan ba ng TNC or makakahabol ang ACG. Last 2 players from AC Gaming. Tignan nyo naman, guys, ang standing. With 12 frags coming from Jeff Curry. Carrying TNC. Grabe dahil, sir. Nang uubos.
A-site. Smoking grenade.
2 minutes and 15 seconds for
Flash
our
bomb.
clock. Here, on the way to the A side, padaan ng shortcut. Tinatagtag. Nasabugan ng flashbang, naubos ang TNC, triple kill coming from Kuya mo Gerald. Bumawi si Cart, counter killing Gerald. Yun ang magandang entrance. Sasapulan mo ng flashbang, tas uubusin mo. So, medyo napakagandang strategy. But we have here Jeff Curry. Let's see kung kaya ba niyang ubusin yung dalawa with such a great sniper. We have here Jeff. One kill coming from Jeff. 1 more to go. So close. With G right there. At mukhang napalayo pa. G here going. Going and going. Straight ahead. While Jeff, where are you, Jeff? At dahil mahirap magdora, oh, G there getting the kill, finally scoring 1 for ACG. So let's go back to our game. Still, we will be having TNC versus AC Gaming in Compound.
Flash bomb.
AC Gaming here already having 3 points as their previous score. And TNC with 6 points. So basically, 4 points na lang ang kailangan ng TNC para mapanalunan din ang map number 2. But, yeah, Card C versus G. Mukhang dehado na sa HP. Si Gian. Tingnan natin kung paano diskarte si Kalbo. 1 point for TNC, 7 points for total.
Flash bomb. Smoking grenade.
Hale is the first man down with a kill from
I
Senpai.
found spotted.
This is Noses. Yan, sumunod si Charich. Bumawi si Gerald kay Jeff. Ayun na nga ba, kapag nagpapalit ng side, most of the time, humahabol ang score. Okay, 4 versus 3 situation at the moment. Tutukan natin ang captain ng ACG. But mukhang may nalusaw sa mapa. G killed by LG. Sumaklolo si Senpai. Three versus 2. Cart here and Nasmi. Isa na lang, Nasmi.
Fire in the
Kaya ka na
hole.
lang natitira.
Flash bomb has been planted at A site. Fire in
With
the
the bomb
hole.
already planted. Nasmi here on the way to A site, makakasalubong ang captain ng ACG. But he is with Gerald.
Yeah.
Nakachamba ng isa sa bomba.
Flash
But Senpai here, being on the backup, having 1 point for ACG. It's a standing of 7-4.
Flash bomb. Grenade. Smoking grenade. Fire in the hole.
5v5 still. Neil here getting the first kill, counter killed by Charich Ched. Medyo naninibago rin ako kay Dale. Before, I think, naka-sniper mode si Dale. But now, I don't see him sniping. Mukhang si Jeff nga ang pumalit sa posisyon ni Dale as a sniper. But, pwede namang dalawa actually. Depende, discarte naman nila yun eh. Okay, Charich Ched, a sniper of AC Gaming. But Boss Tanks is down. It's captain versus captain.
Smoking grenade.
58 seconds remaining for our clock. Ayan, 42 seconds. Tingnan natin ang mapa. AC Gaming here. On the way to the B site. And we have Cart waiting on the B site.
Flash
Habang
bomb.
si LG napakalayo.
Fire in the hole. Headshot. Bomb has been planted at B site.
Si LG naliligaw na landas with LG against Charich. Charich getting the kill. 1 point for ACG. So standing, guys, as you can see, standing is 5-7.
Fire in the hole.
Last 3 points for TNC, pero bumabawi ang AC Gaming. Sayang ang punto. This is for CFEL Visaya. Sobrang laki ng punto dito. Lalo na pag 2 maps ka, it's a total of 4 points already. Last man standing, Gerald. Finished by Jeff Curry. 8 points for TNC. Last 2 points.
Roger. Area clear. Smoking grenade. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
It's a 5 versus 3. Yan, sumunod na ang isa. Dale hooking up one player from the AC Gaming.
Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
With 1 man left for TNC, we have Dale against 4 players na mukhang magkakadikit pa.
Smoking grenade.
Gian here being the MVP and Charic finishing the game. 1 point for ACG. Talagang nakahabol talaga ang AC Gaming. Total of 6 points already for ACG.
Flash fire in the
2
hole.
punto na lang ang lamang ng TNC. Nag-sniper mode na si Dale. Or hindi ko lang talaga siya napansin mag-sniper kanina.
Smoking grenade.
One headshot coming from Dale. Ayan na po. Habang Jeff here already down.
Flash bomb.
Diba? Yuko-yuko na lang. Last man standing is Dale, but
Smoking
we have
grenade.
Charic here again. Finishing the game for ACG. With a score of sobrang dikit na dikit, 7-8.
Fire in the hole. Flash bomb.
Sunod-sunod, nagtapo ng bomba ang ACG. Samantalang on the way na si Gian to B-side, I guess.
Smoking grenade.
Deal is down, but Jeff and Nazmi nakapitas ng dalawa. Charic shed here on the way to B-side in the pipe room habang nakasilip si Nazmi.
Team, hold position.
Mukhang magkaka-golden round pa tayo.
Smoking grenade.
Tingnan natin kung ano nga bang diskarte nila. So, let's take a look here at the map. So far from each other, mga brave soul. And on the way to B-side, we have here Boss Tank, samantalang si Charic. Papunta na rin ang B-side. Nasmi here, still waiting. Grabe, bulaga. Pagdaan ni Tanks. Charic shed, papasok, but being killed by Cart. 1 point for TNC, last point for TNC.
Flash bomb. Fire in the hole.
Isang punto na lang TNC and you'll be winning map number 2. Ayan na po, nagmamadali na nga. TNC here already. Getting 3 kills. Oh, 2 kills. But ACG as well getting 2 kills. Grabe. Double kill from Jeff Curry. Kaya na nga ba?
Kill.
Minamadali na ang laro. Congratulations, TNC!
Go, go, go. Smoking grenade.
You were a problem child, been grounded your whole life, so now you run wild. Playing with them good girls, no, that ain't your style. You think you're hot shit, and ooh, I love it, yeah, yeah. Stumbling, but yeah, you're still looking hella fun. Keep doing what you're doing, and we'll make you mine. Well, you're a hot mess, and I'm falling for you, and I'm like, hot damn, let me make you my boo. 'Cause you can shake it, shake it, shake it, yeah, you know what to do. You're a hot mess, I'm loving it, hell yeah.
And guys, so it's been a day.
The city's your
With you,
playground, I
of
want
course.
you to take the back.
So, yung iba dyan, simula umaga, nanonood na. So, I'll be seeing you guys again this coming Friday. So, that will be May 20. Yan, May 20 Friday and May 21 Saturday. So, basically for May 20 Friday, we will be having the elite by 5 p.m. So, I'll be giving away e-coins again. But you'll have to watch and make sure that you follow our Twitch channel. And for May 21, we will be having the Challenger Series by 11 a.m. And pagdating ng hapon, balik tayo sa Elite. So we'll be having the top 8 teams again for the Elite. And so it's already 9:24. Time check for those who haven't eaten their dinners. You can eat your dinners na. And so we'll just insert your prizes for this week by Tuesday or Wednesday. So just wait for those prizes in your accounts and we will be announcing that as well. So again, this is GM Astel and I hope to see you next week. So kita-kits tayo ulit guys. And congratulations sa mga team na nanalo. Again, jacket please. And this jacket guys is from CFPL. So, kaya next event, lalo na yung mga taga-Visayas dyan. So, we'll be going to Bacolod. So, I hope to see you guys there. You can get a lot of food. Okay, goodbye guys!